we're back, covering and summarising Tony Robbins' Unlimited Power. We are now on to the 5th key principle from the book. By finding the right method of communication, you can make sure your partner receives your love. You've probably heard about different learning styles in school. Some people retain information better by reading, others by listening or doing. Well, the same applies to romantic partners. When your style of communication differs from your partner's, it can lead to unfortunate misunderstandings. People who prefer auditory forms of communication will consider what they hear and say more important than what they see. Therefore, when they communicate their love to their partner, they focus on talking and using terms of endearment. By contrast, a visual person will express love for a partner by writing love notes or buying jewelry and flowers. Such people rely on the visual cues to get their messages across. But these visual and physical gestures might be lost on a partner focused on auditory communication, a person who won't feel fulfilled until love is expressed verbally. In order to figure out what type of person your partner is, be it auditory, visual, or kinesthetic, which is someone who prefers touch and physical communication, you can ask some simple questions. First, ask your partner about a memorable time when he or she felt completely loved. Then, ask about what led to that feeling. Was it something someone said, or perhaps a hug or a surprise gift that made them feel so loved? Your partner might be both visual and kinesthetic, in which case you'll want to use both touch and visual communication. Or they might be auditory and visual, which will require speaking and touching. So be sure to try combining multiple ways of expressing your love.